Guys, andito naman ako sa basurahan kasama ko si Kasing. Imagine the TV, television, they throw it away. And of course, guess what? Yun ang model, di ba? Si Michael Jackson ng Korea. And of course, totoo nga pala, maraming mapapakinabangan sa, of course, sa garbage. And of course, wala akong plan mag-dumpster diving for today. And imagine that they throw it away. Imagine bago pa. Imagine sa Philippines. Oh my God, imagine mga 10,000 pesos. This one is really good. Kaya lang, super date lang ng bahay ko. And of course, mga cover cards, pag may honeymoon ka, pwede pa ito, bagong-bago pa. Oh my God, this one is really good. And of course, magandang gabi, umaga po sa inyo lahat. Welcome back po to ating channel. And ang model ng dancing diver, si Megastar Diamond Star, Tantalizing Eyes. And of course, yes, patnubay na magulang kailangan. Yes! And, di ba, ika nga pag may kasabihan, yes, matalino man, si Michael Jackson, buhay na buhay pa rin siya. It's really good. Look at that one. The one, this one is really that expensive. But they throw it away. Di ba, wow, wala pa mancha. It's really good talaga. So, we're gonna go at other side.
Now, there's nowhere to hide since you're pushing my
Because hindi talaga ako makapag-move on. Imagine that, we can sit in here at the dancing diver and with this one, yung mga sofa. Oh, it's really good. And then this one, they throw it away. Di ba? Ang ganda. It really look good. Talaga ako makapag-move on. Imagine that if I have a big house in Korea, that one is, I can take it. Even all of the couch, it's really good. It's made in natural 100% leather. Oh my God, totoo nga pala, marami mapapakinabangan sa basura. Imagine, and even all of the TV, ba't sinira lang ang TV? Ang sabi nga ni Michael Jackson, ano yun? Maybe they broken hearted, maybe they separated wives, or whatever, or what kind of situation, among upang situation, sometimes when we touch, and of course, the honesty is too much. And of course, we're gonna go at the other dancing site. Yes, sa garbage site. Para doon naman na kami magda-dancing diver. Yes. Nawili ako, totoo nga pala, na may pera sa basura at maraming mga good items that we can find. Yes. Imagine that. Last na nag-dancing diver ko, I found a golden pot. Yes. And of course, I found what you call it, a motorcycle in the dancer. So we're gonna go, let's find out sa other dancing site. Guess what? We found a games. This one, look at that, it's really good. This one, look at that, they throw it away. So my God, this one is like cost of money.
Pwede lagyan nila dito to.
And they have a samples in
Hindi,
here.
ano to?
Like the balls in here.
Pang ano to?
Wow, it's a game like this. Like a
Natasira na
baseball.
siya. So,
Ah.
tanggal tong ano niya.
But it's okay, can fix this one. Wow, imagine that marami nga pa mapapakinabangan. Wow,
Uy,
diba?
mag-baseball tayo. O, dali
Diba,
sa
in this one, but it's okay. So,
Pwede pa yun,
wow, it's really good. Diba? Totoo nga pala. So, let's go find out sa other dancing diver sa kabila. I think sa basurahan.
I score 1
Wow, it's really good, diba? Oh, pwede ka mag-play the games. Wow, imagine that. Totoo nga pala. Magtyaga ka lang. Meron kang nilaga.
Ba't ka naglakad dito?
Wow, imagine that. It's really good.
Kaya pala
Look at the
naglakad
game.
tayo
It's
dito,
really
nakita
good.
natin.
Wow, imagine that. And look at that beautiful view. It was amazing. Even all the middle of the night and you can feel you are in the AI world. Siyempre, hindi lang dancing diver, and of course, nagawa pa ako ng like a content to show you around right in here in Korea. It's really good. Ang ganda. So let's go find out sa ating garbage site na puntahan uli. Ayan tayo pa yung vlog tamo. Kasi ka rin ka magpahan, Michael Joe Fulke. Come on, yes. Ay, tamo kiniking Korea para mamasura. Imagine the social, diba? May masura pa kiniking Korea. And of course, dancing diver. Ito nga pala, there's a treasure and of course, there's good items that throw it away that we can use. So let's go find out in here. Wow! Eto na. Bakit ang daming tinapon nilang bed? Yeah, because right in here, dito yung mga leftover nila na mga food. So, they segregate it this one.
Oh, may fax machine pa.
So imagine that this one is a fax machine. But this one, the fax machine is, they can sell it and they can fix it. Ito mga Jabber Cats. This one is bed na naman. Tinapon na naman yung mga good items ng bed. Diba? Oh, good. At saka ito siya. Ito sa mga ukay-ukay. Diba?
Ay, ititinda natin
It's
ito.
really good. That's good.
5,000.
Good items pa. Diba? Okay itong benta. Wow, ang ganda.
Ay, para sa
Oh,
ano?
imagine. Ang ganda. Wow, totoo nga pala. Marami papakinabangan, diba?
Benta mo
Benta mo kami lang.
Benta na
Diba? Dancing Diver.
Ititinda natin, ititinda ko to sa ano.
And this one, I think this one
Ititinda
is...
ititinda ko yan,
Wow,
Chas.
Levi's. So, ititinda na niya. Pwede ukay-ukay. Dos, tres. Tapos ito. Wow.
$2.
Totoo, ang dami nga
Pwede
talaga.
yan.
Diba? Mapapakinabangan. Imagine that. This one is not, I think they're not used yet. Or like...
But the scarf
yeah.
yun, no?
Dito sa scarf yan. Diba like the pearly show, shine in the ocean. Totoo nga pala. Let's find out. Diba ba nangangalkal si Michael Jackson? Wow.
What
Diba?
is this?
Wait,
Oh my
basta
God.
lang.
Pang start, ano yan?
Ang
Ano
dami
pa
na
meron
kinikalkal pa dito.
Baka ito yung
Wala
pinag-ano.
na.
Marami
Yes.
dyan.
I think this one is like the factory close lang.
Oh, yeah,
Factory
may mga
close,
pa,
diba?
oh.
Pira-pira.
Saan kaya
Oh, so
galing
that's
yan?
why.
Kaya
Kasi
kaya
meron pa
galing
siyang,
kay Tony yan?
meron pa siyang thread. Wow, mga Jabber Cats, totoo nga pala na
container,
meron,
oh.
meron mga papakinang good items and tiba-tiba niya naman for today. This one, ukay-ukay. Diba?
Ito yung binibenta
Wow,
niya.
mabango-bango pa siya. Wow, imagine that. We got almost like 8 minutes inside with good content, diba? Mga dancing divers to right in here in Korea. Wow, that was, sandali. Tela pa siya. This one is tela. Imagine, ang dami pa mapapakinabangan. Wow! So mga Jabber Cats, this one, imagine this is a long sleeve. This one is like a Levi's. So, pwede ito. Pwede ibenta sa like sa ukay-ukay. And then this one, nagkakalkal pa si Michael Jackson. This one is something like a long sleeve. Diba? Oh, totoo nga pala na may mga treasure in the garbage. And then this one is
Ano to eh? Sa mga
kinda...
tailor shop?
Yeah, sa mga tailor shop, hindi na mapapakinabangan. Yung scarf.
Ano,
Ilalin
tinatapon
natin
lang
dito.
nila.
Itatapon nilang lahat. Good. Pwede ibenta, what's this? Long sleeve?
Long sleeve.
Yeah, can do. Ay, hindi. Ano na siya? Dito, this one is really
Pwede
good.
gumawa ko ng damit sa pang-aso.
Diba? O sa mga aso, mapapakinabangan, pwedeng gawin din basahan. So, totoo nga pala. Imagine that, sinapon lang. Ito, imagine sa Pilipinas, iskobahin lang yan. Pwede
Yeah,
pa.
look at
Totoo
this.
nga pala. Siyempre, magsipag ka lang.
Gagawa ka
Totoo
ng
nga
ano,
pala.
parang
Everywhere
itong-
you go, dancing diver in Korea, nawiwili ako. Mga Jabber Cats, this one is a closet. The closet is really good, almost like a brand new. So, tinapon lang nila. Imagine that. Wow, you can hide inside, hide and seek. Wow, this one is divider. Tinapon lang nila yung divider, but my home is like a really small. This one is so big and it was so heavy. Ah, it's a good quality. Diba, bago pa siya, oh. My God, ang ganda. Nakakawili naman. Talaga, imagine that. Like that's because I think they have rich person, so they wanna buy the new stuff, so they throw it away. Imagine that. Good stuff pa yung closet. Wow, sayang sa Pilipinas, wala kaming closet. So they found it. She found it something. Wow. Jabber Cats, talaga nang hinayang ako sa mga cabinet and of course the closet and of course the couch and the whole like the furniture. Wow, it's really good. And because maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, and this is your Korean Angel, my dancing diver experience right here in Curious Call. Comment down below. Thank you for our 200,000 K sa ating 20 million followers right in here in Korea. And of course ang aking kasing may gabi shout out Kali, and of course bye bye to everybody.